Hello everyone, today is June 23rd, it is Friday, 9:01 a.m. Welcome to another episode of Crypto Wars. As you can see, I got a new little camera for my videos. Why not spend the money? Steemit has a sick hard fork now, so all I gotta do is post a couple times and it's paid for in a day, so that's all. Just want to talk about the markets today. Obviously, the altcoins are doing extremely well. Pretty much across the board. They have been for the last week. I think we can continue the uprise to do so. I think Bitcoin's going to continue to rise too. As far as short term as the markets go, it's kind of unpredictable at this point. I think we're going to see a lot of up and down. Now's not a bad time to be taking profits when you feel need to. If you've been in this game for a long time, even I just sold a little bit of PureCoin yesterday, pay off some credit cards again and things like that for my new camera and certain things. So not a bad time to spend some money if you're way up. When it comes to PureCoin, I think we're going to continue to see some growth. I don't think this pump is done yet. I think it's far from done. It's going to take a couple weeks maybe. Yeah. Vertcoin, for those who've been paying attention, I'm going to check if there's any news out on Vertcoin. We're waiting for the atomic swap right now when it comes to Vertcoin. With Litecoin, they're making an atomic swap, which means, again, atomic swap is the idea of exchanging Vertcoin for Litecoin without a third-party exchange, which is actually pretty revolutionary in crypto. So, not too much news about that. When it comes to Vertcoin, even PureCoin, and Steem, we're seeing a price rise too. I think we can expect it to continue. If you have any questions for me, just leave it in the comment section. I will get to them in a later video when I can. But I guess there's not too much to talk about. We can talk about the total global market cap and where it's going and the direction it's heading in. As you can see, it's kind of at a standstill at like around 15 trillion, or 15 million, or billion, excuse me. 115 billion. I think it's going to continue upwards. There's going to be some turbulence on the way. I think we're headed to about 200 billion. The most it can go to, in my opinion, is 225 billion. And, like I said, what we're going to see towards the end of this crypto run is you're going to see the alts will pull all into Bitcoin. Bitcoin will rise, and then we'll pull into USDs, and then everything will kind of correct. I still think crypto is very undervalued, but I do think that there's going to be a time where there's going to be a pretty big correction. Maybe we'll send it from 225 billion back to 150 billion or something like that. So it'll be interesting to see how it plays out. When it does correct, it won't correct huge, but you're going to want to be in some US dollars when it does, just so you can pick up some cheap coins. My original strategy was to sell like a quarter at 125 or something like that. I'm going to take a little bit slower than that, just because I see like 200, 225 as the max. So I'm just going to take it slower, sell tiny amounts day by day. I'm never going to be like, I'm going to sell my quarter of my position today or half my position today. I'm more just selling tiny amounts daily. I think that's the way to do it. Pulling out maybe 5, not even 0.5% of your holdings, maybe every other day or every day. Just something coming out in US dollars, or even buying gold and silver. I plan on doing that. I also plan on moving into some gold and silver mining stocks. I own this one mining stock called Comstock Mining. It's actually up 30% in the last week. It's been going down a lot though. I kind of expect it to correct a little bit before it does. uptrend more, but I think you're going to see the gold mining stocks perform extremely well. So it's something to pay attention to if you're looking, just not to have your entire portfolio into crypto, and things like that. So, yeah, I mean, it's not too much new things out, new news or whatever. I mean, it's just a waiting game from this point on, just keeping it cool and doing your thing and just waiting on things. So, it's exciting. I'm waiting on this. But yeah, so I mean, I have no other anything real else to talk about. I was more excited to use my camera than anything for this new crypto video, this new saga. So. Yeah, I mean, as far as Peercoin and Vertcoin, remember the key to crypto is decentralization, and right now Bitcoin is going through the problems it is, and that's why I'm interested in Peercoin and Vertcoin, and of course Steem. But Steem is just, it's becoming crazy right now with the payouts being so high, and crypto's just changed my life so much, and I also gotta thank like the developers at Steem and developers in the community for being able to change people's lives so drastically. It's just a great, beautiful thing, and this is really like a revolution, and people are starting to catch on. So it's just all positivity from here, man, and just keep an eye on markets, be vigilant, always be willing to take some profits out while it's up. Why not? I'm not afraid to after I've been in this game for so long. And, it's been such a long waiting game. So it's exciting. It's exciting. All good things from here. Peace.